Good morning, everybody. I'm Nandita. So today I'm going to talk about the queue management system in the Apna application. So moving on first, I would like to talk about queue management. So queue management is the process of organizing and controlling the flow of items, tasks, or requests in a sequential manner. They typically follow the FIFO method. So FIFO. So FIFO method is nothing but first in, first out. So this is what FIFO method means. So it involves managing queues efficiently to ensure smooth and orderly progression of operations. Queue management plays a crucial role in optimizing processes across various domains, including retail, healthcare, logistics, telecommunication, and more. So now I would like to tell about a detailed explanation of the concept and its significance. So first is efficient resource utilization. So, queue management helps in efficiently utilizing resources by ensuring tasks or requests are processed in a systematic order. By prioritizing and scheduling tasks based on their arrival time, resources are allocated effectively, reducing ideal time and maximizing productivity. Moving on, I would like to talk about minimizing wait times. So, one of the primary objectives of queue management is to minimize wait times for customer, clients, or users. By organizing queues and optimizing service delivery, businesses can reduce the time customers spend waiting in line, leading to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. Moving on, now I would like to talk about prioritizing critical tasks. So prioritizing critical tasks. In certain scenarios, not all tasks or requests are of equal importance. Queue management enables the prioritization of critical tasks, ensuring that high priority items are processed promptly while low priority tasks wait in the queue. This helps meeting service level agreements (SLAs) and fulfilling service level agreements (SLAs) is called as service level agreements and fulfilling urgent requirements and effectively. So next I would like to talk about reducing congestion and bottlenecks. In complex systems or processes, congestion and bottlenecks can occur if tasks are not managed effectively. Queue management techniques such as load balancing, traffic sniping, and resource allocation help in managing congestion and preventing bottlenecks, thereby maintaining smooth operation by systems. Next is enhancing customer service. Efficient queue management leads to a better customer experience by minimizing wait times, reducing frustration, and improving service quality. Businesses that prioritize customer satisfaction through effective queue management often see increased customer retention and positive word of mouth referrals. Next, moving upon, I would talk about data collection and analysis. Queue management systems often include monitoring and analytic capabilities that allow businesses to collect data on queue lengths, wait time, service rates, and other performance metrics. Analyzing the data helps in identifying inefficiencies, optimizing processes, and making informed decisions to improve overall performance. In essence, queue management is a fundamental aspect of operation management that contributes to overall efficiency, effectiveness, competitiveness of organizations across various industries. By implementing robust queue management strategies, business can streamline processes, enhance customer satisfaction, and achieve their operational goals more effectively. Moving on, I would now like to talk about highlighting the challenges faced in the job recruitment processes like Apna and how queues can address them. So first, let me talk about some of the challenges faced in the job application industry. Before that, I would like to erase these. Okay. So first is high volume of applications. So with the rise of online job boards and platforms, recruiters often face flood of applications for open positions. So flood of applications. Next, moving on, they face time constraints. So, recruiters need to act quickly to fill positions, especially for roles with urgent hiring needs. However, manual screening processes and administrative tasks can consume valuable time, delaying the hiring process. Moving on, next is candidate quality. So, candidate quality, ensuring the quality of candidates is essential for finding the right fit for a role. However, traditional recruitment systems may not effectively filter out unqualified or mismatched candidates, leading to wasting time and resources. Next, communication. So next, communicating and coordinating interviews and with hiring managers and other stakeholders can be challenging, especially when managing multiple candidates for different roles simultaneously. So these are some of the challenges that a job recruiter faces when he or she is hiring a person. So I would like to repeat it. So there will be a flood of applications and it will be having time constraints. The candidate should be chosen with quality and there will be communication and coordination problems. So now I would like to tell you how queues can address these challenges. So first is So some of the things that you can manage is first is prioritizing applications. So by implementing a queue system, recruiters can prioritize applications based on predefined criteria such as qualifications, experience, or application date. This ensures that most qualified candidates are addressed first, improving efficiency in the screening process. Next is the streamline workflow. So, queues help streamline the recruitment workflow by organizing tasks in a sequential manner. Recruiters can systematically review applications, schedule interviews, and coordinate flow of actions, reducing the time spent on administrative tasks. Next is centralized Communication. So, queues provide a centralized communication platform for communication and coordination among recruiters, hiring managers, and candidates. Messages, interviews, schedules, and updates can be managed within the queue system, facilitating smoother communication and collaboration. Next is enhancing candidate experience. So, a well organized queue system ensures timely and personalized communication with candidates, keeping them informed about the status of their application and next steps in the recruitment process. This improves the overall experience and reflects positively on employer and on the employer brand. In summary, queues offer a systematic approach to managing job recruitment processes, addressing challenges such as high volume of applications, time constraints, candidate quality, communication, and candidate experience. By implementing queue management strategies, recruiters can streamline workflow, improve efficiency, and enhance the overall recruitment experience for both candidates and hiring teams. Moving on to the next topic. For that, I would like to erase these. Okay. Moving on to the next topic. Now, I would like to introduce the Apna job recruiting platform as the context for implementing queue management. Imagine a world where job recruitment is seamless, efficient, and tailored to meet the needs of both job seekers and employers. Welcome to Apna, a revolutionary job recruiting platform that leverages cutting edge queue management technology to transform the recruitment process. Apna is more than just a job role. It's a dynamic ecosystem where employers and job seekers come together to find the perfect match. With its user friendly interface, robust features, and innovative queue management system, Apna is redefining the way recruitment is done. At Apna, we understand the challenges we faced by the recruiters in managing the influx of job applications, coordinating interviews, and ensuring a positive experience. That's why we integrated advanced queue management capabilities into our platform to streamline the entire recruitment window workflow. Our queue management system allows recruiters to prioritize tasks, automate screening process, and organize tasks in systematic order. By implementing queues, recruiters can efficiently manage candidate pipelines, track process, and ensure timely flow-ups, all within centralized and intuitive interface. Whether you're a small startup or a multinational corporation, Apna empowers recruiters to optimize recruitment processes, save time, make informed hiring decisions. With our queue management features, recruitment can focus their energy on engaging with top talent, fostering meaningful connections, and building high performing teams. Join the revolution in job recruitment with Apna, where queue management meets innovation and every hire is a success story waiting to happen. Moving on, now I would like to talk about understanding the recruitment process. First is posting a job. So first is job posting. So this is the first step in the job recruitment process. So in this step, the recruitment process typically begins with the creation and posting of job vacancies on various platforms such as job boards, company websites, and social media channels. Next process is application submission. So this is the second step. So interested candidates submit their applications, including resumes, cover letters, and other relevant documents in response to the job postings. Third is application screening. So third is application screening. So recruiters review the submitted applications to shortlist candidates who meet the minimum qualifications and requirements for the position. This involves assessing candidates based on their education, experience, skills, and other criteria specified in the job description. Next process is interview. This is the fourth step. So, shorted candidates are invited to participate in interviews, which may include phone screenings, video interviews, or in person meetings. The purpose of interviews is to assess candidate suitability for the role and dwell deeper into into their qualifications and experience. Next is assessment and evaluation. So, this is the fifth step. So, depending on the organization's hiring process, candidates may undergo additional assessments or evaluation, such as technical tests, personality assessments, or reference checks to further gauge their fit for their position. Next process is the offer and negotiation. This is the sixth step. So, depending on the organization's hiring process, candidates may undergo additional assessments or evaluations, such as technical tests, personality assessments, or reference checks to further fit for these. Once a suitable candidate is identified, the organization extends a job offer outlining the terms and conditions of employment. Negotiations may occur regarding salary, benefits, and other aspects of the order. Next is onboard. This is the final step. So in this step, once a suitable candidate is identified, the organization extends a job offer. So next, upon acceptance of the job offer, the selected candidate undergoes the onboarding process, which includes completing necessary paperwork, familiarizing themselves with the company policies and procedures, and integrating into the organization's culture and the team. So these are some of the recruiting points. Moving on, so if you will excuse me for a bit, I would like to raise these. Sorry for that. So moving on, now I would like to pinpoint some of the pain points in job recruitment platforms. So first, as I told earlier, it is managing multiple applications. So recruitments often receive a large volume of applications for open positions, making it challenging effectively manage and review each application in a timely manner. Next is scheduling interviews. So, coordinating interview schedules with candidates, hiring managers, and of other stakeholders can be complex and time consuming, especially when dealing with multiple candidates and availability constraints. Next is tracking. Next is tracking candidates' progress. So keeping track of the candidate's progress throughout the recruitment progress process from application submission to final decision can be difficult without a centralized system in place. This can lead to delays, oversights, and inconsistencies in the communication. Next is candidate engagement. So, maintaining consistent communication with candidates and providing them with updates on application status can be challenging, leading to a lack of engagement, frustration among applications. So, next, moving upon, managing candidate data, ensuring data privacy and compliance with regulations such as GDPR can be concerned, especially with increasing use of digital recruitment tools and platforms. Moving on, I would like to talk about queue management. So, a queue is a fundamental data structure in computer science that represents a collection of elements arranged in a sequential order, where elements are added at one end and removed from the other end. So, it follows the principle first in, first out. That is nothing but FIFO, meaning that the first element added to the queue and the first element to be removed. Queue management involves organizing and controlling the flow of tasks, requests, or data in a systematic manner. Leveraging the FIFO principle or the FIFO principle to prioritize and proceed items in the order they were received. By adhering to FIFO, queues ensure fairness and maintain order in processing tasks, providing a structured approach to managing workflow and optimizing processes. Here's how queues streamline process by prioritizing and maintaining tasks. So by first, it prioritizes by prioritizing tasks. So queues allow task or request to be added to the end of the queue, ensuring that they are processed in the order they were received. The prioritization ensures fairness and prevents newer tasks from overtaking older ones, thereby by maintaining a structure and organized workflow. So now let me tell you about the FIFO, that is FIFO, first in, first out principle. So queues adhere to the FIFO principle, which dictates that the first task added to the queue and is the one for and is the first one to be processed and removed. So this principle ensures that tasks are processed in the order they were received, preventing any bias or favoritism in the task execution. Next is by maintaining order. So by maintaining order, the FIFO principle follows. Queues maintain a consistent order of tasks, ensuring predictability and reliability in task processing. The orderly approach simplifies task management, reduces ambiguity, and facilitates smoother coordination of workflows. Next is fairness and transparency. Queues promote fairness and transparency in the task processing, all treating all the tasks equally and fairly. So overall, queue management system provides a structured and efficient approach to managing tasks and workflows by leveraging the FIFO principle to prioritize tasks and maintain order. By adhering to FIFO, queues ensure fairness, transparency, consistency in task processing, ultimately leading to improved productivity and streamlined process. Third, I would like to explain you how queue is implemented in the Apna app. So Apna app is a recruited platform where we have integrated powerful queue management features to streamline the recruitment process and empower recruiters like never before. So within the Apna platform, recruiters have access to a dedicated queue management system. Here, they can view and manage they can view and manage candidate applications in a systematic and an organized way. So recruiters can create multiple queues to categorize candidate applications based on various criteria such as job, role, experience, application status. By simply dragging and dropping applications in different queues, recruiters can easily organize and prioritize them for further views. Next, during the initial screening applications in the designated initial screening queue. So let us talk about initial screening queue. So here they can access basic qualifications and suitability before moving candidates to the next queue. So next queue is, so let me change the pen color. Next queue is interview scheduling. So, once candidates pass the initial screening, recruiters can seamlessly schedule interviews directly from their platform. They can drag candidates from the shortlisted queue to the interview scheduling queue where they can coordinate interview dates and time with candidate and hiring managers. So the next queue is feedback collection. So, after interviews are conducted, recruiters can collect feedback from interviewers and update candidates' status accordingly. Using the feedback collection queue, recruiters can track feedback received, evaluate candidate decisions, and next step in the hiring process. The next queue is the flexibility and customization. So, one of the key advantages of our queue management system is its flexibility. Recruiters can create custom queues tailored to unique recruitment workflows and preferences, whether it's prioritizing urgent hires, managing specific job roles, or tracking candidate progress. Our queue management system adapts to meet diverse recruitment needs. So, and in summary, I would like to tell the integration of queue management features into the Apna platform empowers recruiters to efficiently organize, prioritize, and manage candidate applications throughout the recruitment process. With its flexibility, ease of use, and seamless integration, Apna's queue management system revolutionizes the way recruiters handle recruitment, making the process more efficient, transparent, and successful for all the parties involved. So moving on, I would now like to tell about the features and functionality of Q on the Apna app. So first is the drag and drop interface. So, with Apna's intuitive drag and drop interface, recruiters can effortlessly manage candidate queues. Simply drag candidate applications from one queue to another to prioritize, categorize, or progress them through the recruitment pipeline. Next is automated notification automated notification for recruiters and can be it's so Apna's queue management system include automated notifications that keep recruiters and candidates informed every step of the way. Recruiters receive notifications and requests and feedback submissions, ensuring they stay up to date with the recruitment process. Similarly, candidates receive notifications about application status updates, interview invitations, and next steps, providing them with transparent and engaging experience. Next is the integration with scheduling tools for seamless interview. So, to streamline interview coordination, Apna's queue management system seamlessly integrates with scheduling tools. Recruiters can schedule interview directly from the platform, leveraging integrations with popular scheduling tools such as Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. This integration eliminates the need for manual scheduling and reduces the risk of scheduling conflicts, ensuring smooth and efficient process for both recruiters and candidates. Next is illustrating how these features can next so next is illustrating how these features can enhance the overall recruitment experience. So Apna's drag and drop interface empowers recruiters to manage candidate queue effortlessly, allowing them to focus their time and energy on evaluating candidates rather than navigating the complex systems. The streamlined approach improves efficiency and productivity, leading to faster hiring decisions and better candidate experience. By providing automated notifications, uh, Apna ensures that recruiters and candidates are always informed and engaged throughout the recruitment process. Recruiters can stay organized and responsive while the candidates receive timely updates about their application status and next step, resulting in a positive and transparent recruitive experience for all. With Apna's integration with scheduling tools, recruiters can seamlessly interviews without the hassles of toggling between multiple platforms. This simplifies the interview coordination process, reduces administrative burden, and creates a more professional and an efficient experience for both recruiters and candidates. Overall, the queue management features the Apna enhance features of Apna enhances the recruitment experience by providing recruiters with the intuitive tools for managing candidate queues, automating notifications, seamlessly coordinating interviews. These features contribute to a more efficient, transparent, powerful, and engaging recruitment process for recruiters and candidates alike, ultimately leading to a better hiring outcome for organizations. I would like to show you a code. implementing you with the use of Apna application. So starting now, let me create a class called Q. Let me initialize a variable. Self capacity. Next, let me open an empty bracket to store the values. So here I've initialized a name variable called self, and I've opened an empty bracket. Next, let me open another variable called NQ. So what is NQ self-initialization? Those are called pseudocodes. So that I will tell you after the completion of the code. For self element, comma element. Next, if length of the self elements is greater than self dot capacity, then sorry. Once dot append. Append is adding multiple elements. Not multiple elements, one element. Print NQ is print over. Overflow is when there is a lot of elements and it's overflowing. Cannot NQ elements. Next, let me initialize another variable called EQ. This will be done. Yes. Dot So pop is nothing but delete an element from the last, by default it deletes an element from the last. For example, we can use different methodology. So there we come to the end of the program. So now I will end with the output of the queue that we have just made on the Apna application. To the conclusion, implementing some of the queue management on the Apna job recruitment platform offers numerous benefits that can significantly enhance the recruitment progress for recruiters, candidates, and organizations alike. Efficiency or organization. Queue management streamlines the recruitment workflow by providing recruitment overflow by providing uh, recruitments with tools to organize and prioritize candidate applications effectively. This leads to increased in the efficiency in screening, scheduling interviews, and tracking candidate progress, transparency and communication. The automated notifications and seamless integration with scheduling tools ensure transparent communication between recruiters and candidates. This foster trust and reduces ambiguity and enhances overall candidate experience. Time savings. With features like drag and drop interface and automated notifications, recruiters save valuable time by eliminating manual tasks, administrative burdens associated with traditional recruitment process. Improved candidate experience. Queue management features on Apna provide provide candidates with timely updates, clear communication, and a seamless interview scheduling process. This results in a positive candidate experience, enhancing employer branding and attracting top talent. Better hiring decisions by optimizing the recruitment process and providing recruiters with tools to manage candidate queues efficiently. Apna enables better hiring decisions to be made in a timely manner, leading to the selection of qualified candidates who are the best fit for the organization. In conclusion, leveraging queue management features on the Apna job recruitment platform can transform recruiting process, leading to increased efficiency, improved communication, and better hiring outcomes. Recruiters and companies are encouraged to explore these features and incorporate them into their recruitment overflow to achieve greater success in finding and hiring top talent. So, whether you're a recruiter looking to streamline your hiring process or a company aiming to attract and retain top talent, take advantage of the queue management features on Apna and unlock the full potential of your recruitment efforts today. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.